Hey everyone! As promised, today we're diving into custom previews. Want to create a cool metallic effect like this? Stick around and I'll show you how. Let's start with the basics. In Grasshopper's default preview, we only have two colors, normal and selection. But we can add a custom preview for more options. First, let's add a custom preview. Then, we can use a color swatch to customize the colors however we like. We can even change the finish to matte or glossy. But that's not what we're after today. Now, here's the secret. First, we need to create a material in Rhino. Type Materials in the Rhino command. Click the icon in the upper left corner to add a material. Choose Import from Material Library. This time, I'm selecting a polished metal material. Rename it to something easy to remember. Next, go back to Grasshopper. Create a panel and type in the material name we just created. Attach it to the custom preview component. Great job! Now we have a metallic effect directly in Grasshopper. You can add any type of Rhino material and call it using the panel component in Grasshopper. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Got questions or comments? Drop them below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay tuned because the next tutorial is going to be even more exciting.